Good morning, children. So we will continue with the chapter. So we learnt about our body. So we know that we have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 feet. Okay? And we have 10 fingers on our hands and 10 toes on our feet. Okay, children? Now we have already learnt about the face, but still we'll see once more about my face. I told you to draw your face here. You can draw your beautiful face. Okay, so we'll continue about my face. 2 eyes to see, 1 nose to breathe. Please learn the spelling. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe, and smell. So what do we do with the nose? We use the nose, or nose helps us to breathe and smell. 2 cheeks and 1 chin. Okay, so 1 mouth, 1 pink tongue. Alright, and white sparkling teeth. So everybody has teeth, sparkle teeth. Sparkling means it just shines. 2 sharp ears that here. 2 sharp ears that here. Okay, so that's all you have. Okay, now this is all about my face that smiles so brightly every day. Now things we can do. What all things you can do? We can do many things with our body. Each part of our body is useful. So look, what are we doing? Pulling the cart with the help of your hand. Riding with the help of, you are using everything. Okay, to pull the cart you need your hand, you need your legs, you need your strength, you need your eyes, that where do you have to pull. Similarly for writing with your hand and riding the bike, you need your concentration, where to see, how to ride, your eyes, your legs, everything. There has to be coordination. Together they work together. For riding or for writing, for pulling, for any single thing. Whatever work you do, all different parts of the body, they work together. Okay, they help us. Listening to music, skipping, eating. Okay, so eating an apple, your body helps you to do all these functions. Alright, moving ahead, my senses. We have 5 senses. These are sight. Sight means to see. Okay, sight means, so to see we use our eyes. For hearing, the senses are used. To smell, to touch and taste. So these are the 5 senses. We have the sense of sight. Because of the eye we can see. Because of the ears we can hear the music. Smell, we can smell because of the nose. Touch because of the skin. And taste, who helps you to taste? Our tongue. So these are called as senses or sense organs. Sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste, they are senses. And you have these senses because of the sense organs. And what are these 5 sense organs? These 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. So these 5 senses are related to 5 sense organs. We see with our eyes, we hear with our ears. Yes, children, we hear with our children. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose and we feel with our skin. Okay, children. So we can see here that, and we taste with our tongue. So all the 5 sense organs are included over here. So what are the 5 sense organs? It is the eye, then ears, then nose, skin and tongue. Alright. So what do we do with our eyes? We see. What do we do with our ears? We hear. What do we do with our nose? We smell. And how your skin helps you to feel. And what about the tongue? What is the function of the tongue? Is to taste. Okay, children. So till here we will see, and then we'll move ahead in the next period.